What it do, man? What it do, man? It's your boy Investing with Swoosh, Part 1, Stocks and Crypto. I'm getting ready to just show y'all a welcome into my channel. This is an investing channel, but this is not, I repeat, not a get-rich-quick channel or scheme. I'm just here to show y'all some plans and plays to get y'all up out the trenches and in the mix. So I'm going to start off with my buying power. $0. I really don't keep nothing in my buying power. I don't really invest in Robinhood Gold. It does have some incentives. You know, you get 4.75% interest on the cash sitting that's in your buying power, and or in brokerage account. So 376 and 78 cent. My portfolio's in the floor. I was gonna wait to start this channel till I got my portfolio to 1,000. You feel me? But I figure I'll just show y'all from the ground up. I mean, my shorty switched up on me not too long ago. Got a lot going on in life. Life is real. Life is hidden. But you feel me? Why not just show y'all right now? Everything ain't peaches. Everything ain't cream. We got to start from somewhere. So first stock to get into, ETF. Now, before we get into the stocks and ETF, this is my first video. I will be showing y'all a little bit later, as far as, you know, giving y'all a game and also showing y'all the difference between ETFs, stocks, growth stocks. You see, I've been into stocks since about 2022. I just fell off very, very hard. Had a lot of other things going on. Didn't think the market was, or just didn't pay it no mind. I don't know why, but you know, now I'm back. I'm better than ever. You see, my first buy was like AMD back in the day. I bought it at $77 per share. It's at 130 right now. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, this is not, I repeat, not a get rich quick scheme. We are in it for the long term. We are in it to win it and make investments. So like I said, I'm explaining to y'all the difference between ETFs, growth stocks, dividend stocks, dollar and penny stocks, all the above. So ETFs are basic exchange traded funds. It's basically a stock. Let's say let's give an analogy. Let's say you go to the gas station. All right, they don't got this no more, but you go to the gas station, whatever. Let's say they sell singles as far as cigarettes or whatever. Or let's say they sell backwoods, whatever the case may be. They got one single or one backwood. They're just selling one. Now they sell the whole pack. It might have one flavor, or they sell the whole pack with a bundle of flavors in that one pack. So this pack of cigarettes might have Camel Crush. It might have Newports, Marlboro. That's basically what an ETF is. You get me? So you see I'm up 5.69%. Money still moving as we speak. Market won't open. It is 4 in the morning in Florida, 4:23 actually to be exact. When I'm recording this video, I just said F it. I'm finna get to it, or get to work, start my channel. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to do this for a minute. It's gonna be a long journey. We're gonna get these subscribers. We're gonna do what we gotta do, and I'm all for the subs, bro. Not even just gaining subs, but putting y'all on and helping people get game, because I'm young, bro. I'm 20 years old. I'll be 21 next year in 2025. Like, it's not too many young people who know about the stock market. The average investor in Robinhood right now is 30 years old, and they got about $60,000 invested or saved up into the app or ready to invest. 30 years old with an average savings of 60,000 or more, and they're 30. So we get in when we young. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, not a get rich quick scheme. So the top 10 cigarettes and or stocks in this one bundle and or pack would be mainly tech. So we got Apple, Microsoft, we got Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, a lot of tech companies, Costco, and then we got Alphabet Class A, which is Google. So I got $113.93 invested. This makes up 30% of my portfolio. It's down in the floor, but if you look at the average cost, I bought in at $493, a very, very low price. This is only an ETF. ETFs normally don't grow this fast. 14% in the last 3 months and 33% on the year. That's pretty crazy for ETF, I'm not gonna lie. So let's get into it. SCHD, another equity and kind of investment fund type of Schwab ETF. I'm up 0.5%, not too bad. Top 10 holdings, we got Cisco, Home Depot, Chevron, all the above here. You guys can read that off. I'm not going to read that off. I got $72.46 with 2.5 shares. I started buying this at $28.71. This makes up 19% of the portfolio. We got TMF, another ETF, exchange index fund. So index funds are mainly like investment funds. They do a lot of investment into other, let's see, I don't know how to put the word. I guess I would say systems or businesses. I don't want to say businesses, but systems like maybe oil. You got some that invest into a lot of tech. You got some that invest into a lot of real estate or REITs. That's what they call REITs. So index funds, they do a lot of investing into those systems and or sectors. So I'm up 4.7% and or only $3.50. Makes up 23% of my portfolio. Not too bad, not too good. I got about a share and a half at $89 into it. Johnson & Johnson, a healthcare one. Down, I'm not gonna lie, I'm down 3%, but it's not too bad. I mean, I did sell a lot of Johnson & Johnson to reallocate. So we only got $22 in there. This one's not an ETF. This one's a regular stock, and I did want to go over this with you guys. Like I said, in the future, I'm gonna be giving different videos as far as like breakdowns on these stats and like what's going on and the things of that nature. So Johnson & Johnson, this is a company that's been doing pretty not so good in the past week. It's down, past month down, past 3 months absolutely horrid, and the past year down 2%, nothing too crazy, but it's on a huge downtrend. But like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme or plan. If I was you guys and if y'all are in it for the long term, I would invest to pour into Johnson & Johnson like when you get the chance. So what I really wanted to talk about though with this Johnson & Johnson play was the market cap. They've got a huge market cap of $360 billion. So market caps was like a smaller market cap, like let's see, for example, SoFi might have a smaller market cap. So I go to SoFi Technologies, they're at $15, which is not bad, up 90%. SoFi and Palantir is one that I slept on for like years, I'm not gonna lie. So you see the market cap is 16 billion, still pretty decent. Honestly, still pretty decent. They did have a huge spike. I can't really think of anything that's super, super low at the moment. But basically, the stocks and you won't see too many ETFs with a low market cap, but stocks that have low market caps, those are the ones that are way more risky and also more volatile. Because like I just said, SoFi, they have a market cap of 16 billion right now. And I'm sure a few years ago, they definitely didn't have that around 2020. So like I said, these are companies that you want to do research on, because there's a few that are on the horizon, like this one right here. I feel like this one's going to be big in the future, just like Nvidia. So let's go over my plays and finish the portfolio. We got Nvidia. Speaking of Nvidia, $75 invested with 20% of the portfolio. I started buying this at 143. I'm also down, but like I said, we in it for the long term. I do see this one going up, and if I go on the year to date on this, you're gonna see crazy gains, like insane, bro. Look at that. They're up 188%, starting off the year at $50, dog. Not even $50. So if you would have just bought one of these, just $53 in Nvidia, you would be up $188 with Nvidia. So we go to PSA Public Storage, another one I sold off when I did have a higher position. We're gonna go into the dividend yield and market caps and all that other stuff later on in the future. I just wanted to show y'all my portfolio. And closing out, we got ENPH. I just added this one last night. I just put like about $1 into it. I'm just starting to get exposed to something bigger. I don't plan on expanding my portfolio anytime soon. We'll go over my watch list in the next video, more stats, and I'll be giving y'all a game and all that. But until then, I feel like I stretched this video out pretty long. The market is down. I'm gonna be giving y'all a game. Welcome to my channel, Swoosh, and I'm out, man.